Welcome to Fine Art Made Easy, Lesson 3, Part 7. Okay, let's look at the hues. So, burnt umber, ultramarine blue, cadmium red, cadmium yellow, and titanium white. And now I'm going to show you how to do the mixes for Part 8. Burnt umber, ultramarine blue, cadmium red, cadmium yellow, and titanium white. Okay, now, so this is for the sphere. We're going to do dark to light. Okay, so we'll start off with cadmium red. We won't need much because it's not so much dark area. Okay. Now we're going to add some burnt umber. So say burnt umber is an orangey colour, so it's still giving the same hue. So what I will do is I will keep that and I'll make another one because I want it darker. Still more, even darker than that. Let's have a look. Yeah, not bad. I think I'm going to go even darker than that, even darker. Let's have a look. It's pretty dark. So look, you do no, even darker than that. I think that's fine. I think I'll leave that there. Spread a bit more. So I suppose this will be the local colour. I suppose we've got the local, as in the colour that it actually is. Now I'm not going to leave it that reddish. I think maybe that's okay. It's a bit bright, so I'm going to add a bit of titanium white, a little bit of cadmium yellow. It's better because there's a little bit. It's fine, that's fine. I'm just going to make more of it. That's fine. Do a couple couple of lighter ones here. Now, to clean the palette knife, let's put that there. Cadmium yellow. Remember, we add in the cadmium yellow because when we lighten it, if we add white, it's just going to get pink. And we don't want that. It's a little bit actually pinkish on the picture actually, but so like a tomato, we don't want to pink it out too much, so we add cadmium yellow to keep the same hue. Orange will be too powerful. Well, maybe too powerful. Right, that's all right. Something like that's too dark. So you can lighten that. It's about right, I think. But I just need more of it. Because it's mostly this colour. All these. That works for me, that works for me. I need two more, I think, two more. I can see two more, so. Bit of cadmium red, bit of cadmium yellow. A lot more. I think that's about as light as I want to go. Got one more here. Take a little of this one, put it in there. Okay, I think that works for me. I think that's it's probably even a little bit brighter than the picture actually, but that's fine. Yeah, I'll just work with this and just hopefully it's enough paint to get me through it. And there is one thing, now I've waited for the picture to dry, I've noticed that the shadows are a bit off, so I'm going to have to do two here for the shadows. Okay, so it's a bit of an extra one for this lesson. So, burnt umber. Oh, I can't use that cadmium, I have to clean that up. So get some more cadmium yellow. I just missed the red bit here. I'm only going to use this bit, so let's have a look. Oh, that's way too light, but that's okay. Of course, it's too white, and of course, it's too browny yellowish. So what do? We got ultramarine blue just to cool it down a bit. To grey it, because that's what effectively you're doing. It's too light, way too light, but that's okay because I need quite a bit, so I go back. So look, that looks, we're getting closer, we're getting closer. Let's have a look. You know what, I'm going to say that's about right. So look. I'm going to say that's about right. I want to make it a bit lighter. And also the dark right underneath the sphere. So, and I'm just going to use, wow, it's amazingly powerful, that cadmium. So opaque cadmium red, of course, is so powerful. I needed a little bit and that's way too much. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of some of that. That's too much. I need to kill some of that red, so I just go to cool it down with some ultramarine blue. It's just, there we go. It's better, it's better. Let's have a look. That looks fine. Okay, so we got, for the sphere, dark shaded area, the local colour or the main colour, and the lighter areas, and the shade, we can do a shade again but a bit lighter, and the dark shaded area right underneath the sphere. Thank you for watching. Please go to lesson 3 part 8.